and I'm gonna be so, what is this? What is this word? I'll be vulnerable. And I don't care. Like, I will be vulnerable. There are things I told you about me, and they're personal, right? And the things that happened to me personally, like painful things. And it's not that, I did something wrong, like someone did something wrong to me. But even your engagement, when I told you about that, it was very uncalled for. It still exposes the kind of person you are. And I'm going to be open. And this is the first time I'm going to talk about my story, because this is where it's pushing me to.
Then I'll come back, and when she's done
You
talking,
think
because I was doing to host. Let me leave. I'll come back when I talk to you.
You
I
see
was
what
talking
is
to host.
going on now.
Can I talk to host? Because I was talking to you, my sister. I was not
Close
talking
the
to her.
mic. Is like it's item for it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes.
So now I'm not here for.
Talk to the
Yeah.
whole person for it.
Yeah,
Wanna,
but
can I finish? Yeah, my sister, listen to me. She attacked me, right, from the other life. She came back here, and I knew for a fact that she's coming for my character assassination. Again, for me to even start like going off from her, ne, is that I came to her life, and then that's how I feel. She was very rude. Let me just put it like this: she was rude to me, and she was taking sides. Right? She never spoke to me with like Paul, but why this is happening, right? Because Nale we had a relationship outside of TikTok, as she said. So now I'm not willing to go personal and stuff. I'm not willing to do that, and I'm not willing to answer anything to her. You understand? So yeah. Whatever she said about me is fine. It doesn't really matter to me.
To society, though, because you pose as a threat to society, especially in the women's space.
Yeah, go and open a case against me.
Really? This is the awareness I'm bringing.
So sorry, Diana. Paul, whatever she said, is it true or not? No, Mhlampe, you see it as an attack, as you allude.
My brother, gay attack. This is attack. Ask yourself a question. Why all along? Why she was not exposing and everything? Right? I would even go further than this. Right? I just took a decision. Yeah, I took a decision to stay away from her. I blocked her. I even blocked Mo. So this is her coming back for me, and it's fine.
My
I
chat
don't have a problem with
is yeah. Paul, my chat here is right. You only heard when she started, not the entire conversation. So when you come to the conclusion that this is an attack, do you know what she was speaking about here on the panel?
Maybe you didn't hear me, Goddess. I mentioned that she attacked me from that other life.
No, but I'm referring to this one. To this one. Did you hear what she said?
No, I didn't hear what she said. But because she attacked me from another life, I knew that when she comes here, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. I knew. And she did exactly what she did. Because judging from even
this man is a prophet. Sorry.
No, allow him to
finish. Say this, Paul.
No, just allow him to land. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. The comments.
Wait for my opinion.
Okay, let me
Land word.
Yeah, judging from the comments that when I came here, obviously, I just knew what she's going to do the same thing, and I think, I don't know, I think she's within the right to whatever she's doing, taking. until she's okay, until she's fine. I mean, I don't have a problem with that. I don't have energy to fight. I mean, also to fight with her. I don't have anything evil against her. I'm not going to speak bad about her. Or it's fine.
The reason you saw that as an attack when you were at her live, she said that Ranjalo, you spoke in a tone that actually showed the character that she claims that you presented to her. So that character you showed it live right now when you were talking to that lady at that time when she even said that you even said that she's stupid whatsoever blah blah. So she picked up that character which you actually showed it to her. So in that sense, then my question is, Wena, do you think that was an attack, or do you think that she was trying to actually trying to calm you down from, or maybe refrain from those words, or maybe from that character that she actually marked as a red flag when you were in a relationship with her?
So I'll answer you, my brother.
Because in this sense, when you say it was a character, I mean, she was attacking you, but
Yeah,
what Diana said, yes.
Yeah, my brother, I'll answer you. It is quite simple. If you've been with me for many years, and I think you know me. You also miss her, she's here, right? There's no way that I can lie about what happened. What happened is that the lady, when I was responding to her, she said, "You are dumb." She said dumb to me, right? And then I retaliated. I called her stupid. That one I agree. But for her, then before calling us to order, she comes for me. She says, "Oh, you can't call women stupid. You can't call women stupid." Whilst that lady, she said, "I'm dumb." She said, "I'm dumb" first. I even said to her, "Well, Mike, you're biased. Why, when she calls me that I'm dumb, you don't call her to order, but you call me to order?" I didn't hear that. I didn't hear. And the way she was talking, I could hear the tone. Well, this one attack, she's attacking me. Why? So that's the reason why I went like, okay, fine. It seems like I'm not welcomed. And I asked myself, why did she change? Like, why is he changing? Why? So what I did, I just stopped the live and then I dropped, and then because this is not even the first time, I think this is the second time. So I dropped, and then what I did, I blocked her from calls, also blocked her from TikTok, so yeah. So not coming for me, I think ubita. I think you're bitter. I think if you wanted to talk to me, don't come for my character. You didn't make me, and no one is going to destroy me. Right? You can be personal as much as you want. No, I'll never be personal with you. I'll never. And as much as you saying, well, like you're vulnerable and stuff like that, I'm not going to do that. If you're going to follow me around, try to attack me and expose me, I went through that already. So there's nothing. That's nothing. You can't make people hate me. That's what you can't do. As much as you speak about me ill, but you can't take away my character. You can't destroy me. So
Yes.
you can speak whatever you speak.
I'm not
No
here
problem.
to destroy you, Paul, right? But I'm here to bring awareness because you're not the first woman that you asked out, right? There are many other women out there. So I'm just bringing the awareness that they should just pull up their guards because you're not the person that seems to be. I'm not attacking you.
You're taking me personal. If it's an attack, This is an attack, Mus. If you're saying that I'm raising awareness, which awareness? Did I agree to that? Whatever you're saying, I don't even know what you're saying about me.
Well,
You're taking me
don't
personal,
get
but
to
it's okay. That's why I'm saying
Listen,
go
my
ahead
brother,
and pleasure
you
yourself.
don't get to decide how I speak and what I say. I will stand firm on my truth, and you don't get to decide whether it's right or wrong.
This is an argument now.
Okay?
That's just an argument. I don't need to argue with you. It's fine. I can't choose what you say. That's why I said to you, speak and go on with your awareness. No problem. I don't have a problem. Go ahead. But there's nothing that will change.
I hope your
You won't
kids
change
are
anything
safe.
about
I
me.
hope your kids are safe, though. I mean, and I hope
Now you're talking about my kids now.
safe. And I hope
This
talking
is
about
what
my
I was
kids.
asking.
exactly.
You're talking about my kids on TikTok. You're talking about my kids on TikTok. Now you're talking about my kids.
Yeah. Why not?
Okay, let me leave because this is not tasteful. You can go on, then I'll come back when you're done.
Before you leave, Paul, the reason why I asked, the reason why I asked, do you know what Diana was telling us here was because you didn't hear her entire conversation. Now you're framing it as an attack without having the full story of what really happened or what she told us here. Hence, I was asking you when you said, no, she's attacking and she's just, she's trying to, I don't know, whatever you say about making people hate you. What you touched on about about panels and all that, I think that is just that's not the entire conversation, or that is not the awareness she was referring to. There's a lot she said, hence I asked, do you know what she said before you say, no, this is an attack? You didn't hear the entire conversation, hence we wanted you to be here so that you can, listen to what she has to say, and then you didn't, you left. Now you're coming up and saying she's attacking you when you didn't hear the entire conversation.
Yeah, but I still repeat myself. She attacked me from other lives. So what will make it different from this one? And I don't want to hear what she says, and I don't want to respond to what she says.
Yeah, that's where it's problematic now, because you're saying that this is an attack without hearing the entire story. This is what I said earlier, but now that you're saying she's attacking you without hearing the full story, what do we say now? Does she have to repeat what she said? And you say, no, you're not interested in that. However, this is an attack, right? And you're saying that you said to her, now you're bringing up my kids, right? Which, the conversation that she said when you were not here included your kids. So now you see now where the problem is. You didn't get to understand the entire conversation, where she's coming from and what awareness she was trying to raise. And that's why we said to you, can you stop and listen to what she has to say, so that when you respond to things you heard of. Now you didn't hear the conversation, but you're saying she's attacking you. And when you say now you're bringing my kids, she already did.
I think you're not.
No, it's not
fair,
godless way now.
So I think you're not fair, my sister. I'm sorry. I think you're not fair, because I said before I leave, I said I don't want to hear anything that you have to say. I don't want to hear anything. Number two, I even mention again, just be fair with me. She was attacking me from other panels. What will change his attempt now? Right? Because you attacked me from the other panel. The other panel you attacked.
Was that an attack?
So let me talk to a host. I'm talking to a host right now. I'm talking to a host right now.
Dude, why are you saying it's an attack when it wasn't an
okay,
attack?
let me leave. Should I leave or should I still continue? Because I said I don't want to talk to you. I don't know why you're talking to me. Right? Yeah, and I don't have energy to argue my life. I don't have energy to argue somebody lying about me. I don't have that energy. Ne? I don't have energy also to talk about my kids here on TikTok. I think it's not fair. That's just an abuse, right? And again, she attacked me from other life. So what will make it different from this life?
Sorry, Wafit. So the thing is here, Paul, that you have to understand. The reason I'm so silent is because she spoke on a lot of things, right? And maybe when it comes to the part of the relationship and saying that you sort of an abuser, that one could be something else. But she mentioned Indaba Bantwana, yabo? And she said that you sort of said you don't see a problem with you fornicating with the children. And that is a big accusation, my brother. I don't know if you want to address it here or not, or the other way around. It's up to you. Yabo?
Yo,
But this is very heavy for me. So
yo, it is
the
funny.
reason why we
Yo,
are quiet, my brother, and we are not saying
yeah.
anything is because it's a very heavy accusation. It's a very, very heavy accusation. And I even told Ufumani earlier on, ukuthi, this is very serious, yabo? And I don't know how you guys had this conversation because according to Diana, you told her this thing directly, right?
That I
And
do.
you
I did
don't
what? I want to hear this one.
so you
I'll
guys,
just give it.
yeah. So
Mhm.
apparently you guys were talking over the phone, I think something like that. And then
Mhm.
for some reason you mentioned which you don't see anything wrong with sleeping with your own sibling, or rather your own seeds or sibling, something like that, right?
Cha.
Now this is what she's told us, yabo? And this is a very, very heavy, serious accusation, my brother.
Yeah, hear me
I don't know
out
how
first.
this.
She's lying. Hear me out, my brother. She's lying. She is lying. She's lying, my brother. And hear me out. My kids are fine. I was with them yesterday. In fact, the whole weekend I was with them. I've never laid my hand on my kids. I love my kids to the death. So I don't know. I don't know what she's saying. But if that make her feel better, it's still fine.
Okay. So when you said that to me, what were you referring to then? Because in as much as you are saying I'm lying, right? I actually do have like evidence that I can bring up. Yeah. Because when we had that conversation, you were like, we're talking about morality. And then you said you don't find it immoral to lay down with your kids. It's not a problem. You don't see any problem in that. So how am I lying?
Evidence. Bring evidence, please. Can you please bring your evidence?
How am I lying about that?
Bring evidence, because I'm saying that you're lying. How can I not find nothing wrong with lying with my kids? That's very how do I call it, my brother? How do I call it this? You're extremely lying when you're lying.
So
You can do better, man. You can do better. Please do better. Don't lie about me. You're lying. Please bring evidence. I've never said those things to you. You're lying.
You never said that. Well, then why would I say that? Like, why would I say things you never said? And mind you,
You are lying.
Listen.
You are lying about me. You are lying.
I cannot bring the evidence on the screen because it's like on my chats, like on
Yeah,
the
you
other
can
side.
take a picture. Take a picture and Boast will change it. No problem.
It's actually a voice note.
Play it. We'll listen. Yo, play it. We'll listen.
But like, the fact that you're denying it, like, doesn't make sense. So I'm lying.
It doesn't make sense that I'm denying when you're lying about me. It doesn't make sense when you're lying about me, I'm denying it. So I must say yes, it's true. When you're lying about me, bring evidence. Just bring evidence. Simple.
You can send to somebody.
The mother of my kids, if she hear that what you're saying about that, how should she feel? How, man? It's disgusting.
So did you say that and forget that you said that? For you to-
You are lying. Bring evidence. Bring evidence. You can send it to anyone. Yeah. You can send it to anyone. I don't have a problem. Send it to anyone. Bring evidence. You are lying. That's why in the beginning that she's trying to destroy my character here. This character assassination. And you can't. You really can't. You didn't make me. You didn't make me, so you can't. First of all, you said that I'm going around attacking people. First of all, you said I'm going around attacking people, being rude on people and telling people they are stupid and so further on. That's what you said. Did I come here to call anyone stupid? Did I come here to attack people? So you're lying on me. But it's fine. That's how you feel. And whoever believe whatever he believes is still fine. It doesn't change that I love my kids and they are mine. And they're happy with their daddy. So yeah.
I think the best way to solve this thing, Diana, so that we can move on.
Anyways, they're mine.
Yeah, I think
she must
for
bring
the only way
evidence,
to
my
move on
brother.
from this is if she brings the evidence.
Yeah, she must bring
Yeah,
evidence, my
that's the
brother.
only way to
Simple.
move on from
That's
this.
the only fair. Speak about other things, maybe they make sense. Maybe I can try to attempt to answer them there. But this one, that's really ridiculous. You could do better. Imagine me telling you, really, me telling you as matured as I am, telling you that I don't find a problem sleeping with my own kid. Imagine that nonsense.
You even went as far as saying that sleeping with younger people makes you like age slow aging, whatever, just to like defend that stand.
I said personally, I sleep with young women. That's what you say.
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying you even defended that stance by saying even when you are older and you are sleeping with the young ones, you age backwards, something like that. You age slower or something.
Oh, so now it's not talking. It's not about me sleeping with your kids now. My kids. It is something different.
One of the reasons you gave when we were having that conversation.
You're still lying, my sister. You're still lying. It's a lie. Please bring evidence. Please bring evidence. Just bring evidence.
Okay,
bring evidence. Guys, no problem.
The evidence is immediately when we had this discussion, Minano Paul, and it really disturbed me personally so much that I had to send a voice note to one of my friends here on TikTok, right? And I disclosed this that was way back. So the evidence could be the dates as far as it. So I would need to go into my TikTok voice notes and actually play it to you guys.
Yeah, no, I don't have a problem when Diana. Bring evidence, then you will close the case. Simple. This is just simple because you are laying allegations. You are trying to assassinate my character, and I told you, with ease, which you can't. You won't manage. You won't. You can't. People are not stupid here. There's no stupid. People are not stupid here.
Paul, please. Ngicela Diana mina kube ukuthi sayidlala mfethu lento ukuze because manje kuzobonakala ngathi umfethu uvele because that's why we needed him even in the first place. We needed him in the first place for Paul to be here. So if then it's like that, you do have that. You can even drop my sister and check, go through the things and come back and play it for us, or maybe you can send in either one of us here and then we play it.
Now on my brother, ne? I want where I mentioned Guti sleeping with my kids. It's what the way she mentioned it. Because if she's going to send, if she's going to play,
note. It was we were talking on a voice call. We were on a voice call when you told me
So
those.
you don't have a court. You don't have a court again now because you said you have a court. That's what you said. You said you don't have a court. You have proof. Now you're
Yeah, when
changing.
I was recounting, that's what I said. I mean, everybody's here. I was recounting what you were saying.
Yeah, Diana. You can do better, Diana, please. You can do better. This is
But it
really
doesn't
weak.
change that you said that, bro. You said it.
I don't know, you
and
can
then
lie,
you
no
might-
problem. Doesn't change
It's
that you
not a
imagine I
lie.
said that. No problem.
I wish
lying, but it's
I had
fine.
that
You can-
recording of the call. It would make sense.
Oh, now you don't have a record.
I said, I think you are trying to manipulate me. You're not hearing what I'm
Ivana,
saying.
you said you were proof, 5-star. Am I lying?
I
This is what you
have
said.
proof.
Paul.
No, this is very
Not
childish,
of
honestly
your
speaking.
voice.
Sorry,
Yes, evident.
yeah.
Yes, that's evident.
Wait. Diana, wait. Mhlampe
So childish, man.
Paul. Let's do like this. Diana, do you have any chats? Do you still have any chats with your Paul?
No, I don't, but I do have a recording where after that incident I recounted with Hybo. Paul is saying this, right? And then
You're saying that Paul.
Voice note.
the voice note.
Problem. I'm not. She can play. But hear me out. I'm not defending anything, my brother. Just listen to me. Yeah, listen to me.
I'm not I'm not in anybody's side here. I'm trying to say, okay, maybe let's hear that voice note when Okulumanga was dying. Does it actually correlate with the story that you're talking about right now? And in Mklampe, that's why I mean at least I wanted maybe maybe chats with Paul. With regards to
So
the story
Honor.
The thing is,
So,
I
Honor,
don't
listen.
have hardcore evidence unless someone could like record our like voice call. Maybe if there's something that can be referred to, because when this conversation happened, it happened over the phone call. And immediately after that, I was like, oh, what is this now? And then I sent a voice note to one of my friends recounting what he said to me. That's the only thing that I would refer to. So it's not like I'm coming up here and making up the story. I heard what
So can I talk?
Can say something?
Can I talk?
Yes,
because I wanted to speak, and I think my brother, listen.
Talk.
Listen, my brother. She can still lie about me like she did now, right? That won't change. Mina nakinyaga voice note whereby because she said she does have evidence. You were here, all of you were here listening, guys. Or maybe I don't hear clearly. She said that she does have evidence when I speak, right? First of all, she said chat, then she changed from chat. Now she said voice note. Now she's changing from voice note. She's saying recounting, talking to someone. Talking to someone.
Not
wait. Let me talk. Can I talk?
Wait, Dan.
Wait. Can I talk, please? Right? Yes. So that's what she said, guys. If I'm wrong, please, you can, from you or now, in 1 year, you can correct me. Yes, because I had it. She said, that's what she said at first, my brother. Let me finish. Let me finish, my brother. Yeah, thank you so much. This is very sensitive because you're inviting my kids here. You're inviting my kids, and I don't want my kids to be discussed. Yeah. I've been there for my kids ever since they were born. Until now, I'm still there for them. Right? So there's no way that this won't touch me. Talking about my kids. So now, Honor, and everyone listening, I want evidence where, first of all, she mentioned chat. If he doesn't have chat, no problem. Exceptional, I'll take that. I want voice note where I speak Guti. It is for me, it's moral for me to sleep with kids. I want that.
Okay. Paul, mina, if because based on the story I've listened to Diana, she spoke of a guy who's an imposter, who's preaching ukuthi the God of the Bible is this, but Yena he's like this. When at least based on the story I've heard, Jalo, based on what Diana has been saying, but if maybe at least I can pinpoint based on the chats that you were talking with Diana and see which Diana was like about one of my reflex based on the chats. My uti arana Cheska Paul. That's one number of books on the prove a logo and ule point of show the record is needed. Now it's a tricky situation too. But Mina understand that maybe if we can play the voice note where she said something to this location, I wanna hear what did the person Diana said to that person lo athi kukhulume naye. Ngifisa ukuthi siyafana ni story asikhulume namhlanje kuthina nalesa story lesiya. Maybe you can draw something from there. But I can hear your point, my brother, and you are right on that one. 100%.
Yeah,
right.
but again, my brother, I want you to hear me out again. She can play, no problem, my brother. I want you to hear me out. If she's lying right now, what will change the fact that whatever she said to the next person, or maybe 2 months, because I see,
No.
she said, no, say, wait, and on. I don't have a problem with her playing, no problem. What will change the fact that she can lie to other people, even 2 months, 3 months from whatever she say? What will change? You don't change anything. That's what she's saying. It's still allegations.
The way
It's
she
still
talks.
allegations.
Wait.
No,
Wait,
I want to assist. I want to assist us very quickly. There's Neo here. Let Neo come up.
As a Diana, mina Pauli, I want to hear the way Diana talked with that person, and I will draw a conclusion. No, mina, I'm talking.
She's here. She was saying Diana sent it to me. She must come up here.
Oh, okay.
Send it to Neo. I didn't send it to Neo, but she does know a part of it, a part of what was happening.
Come, also know
It's
can you please come
but
up? my sister?
that this is tricky because when not Diana, if you say you don't have the chats and you don't have the record, it's a tricky situation. I'm not saying which you are lying. I'm actually yes, I understand even your anger with this because we always talk with us to this about. So at least if example we have the chat, we can see the mood man. Diana was saying I'm a reflex and la. Or when you said, I Pauline, I don't understand, you don't say, sure, man. Then you fuck. If the chats are not even there, it's a tricky situation. Because I want
My
to
brother.
let's say
Well,
Paul, maybe let me make a scenario Paul for it. Look, maybe let's say I'm having a chat with Unang Goddess, and then we chat to Goddess and I tell her Goddess like listen about even through voice notes or whatsoever, and I tell her Goddess to me now. I kill for a living. I'm an assassin. Bani singing I'm shy about blah 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 blah, and then Goddess will be like, "Ay boy, assassin blah blah," and then and then we have a dispute on that. And then Goddess avela ibambe leyo conversation yami, I screenshot through chat or through voice notes. Bese ayibeke eceleni. Then he comes and says to Pastor or to you, everyone, guys, and says, Honor Bafetu is not who he says he is. He's an assassin uthi kimi wabulela ubani nobani. That's why I cut off my conversations or maybe my relationship besisinayo mina naye. Bese ngithi mina okahle wena ayikho into ekhuluma kanjalo. Awulethi evidence. Bese aletha ama chats indlela thina esaxabana ngayo ukuze sina sixabane ezethu Diana. No aminjalo uGod asathi uGod kimi. No. Honor, fuck off indaba yakho umsangano cause wena you're not what you claim you are on TikTok whereas wena I know who you are, you said this. Bese sibuka ama chats ukuthi through the chats there was a breakdown from here. There was a breakdown of communication from here. Nala. Oh, when you responded like this when I got by saying fuck off when I honor you are this. Okay, yeah, but something like that. When mind, so same thing on the situation we are in now. If then maybe there was something like that, then I'm trying to was to the conclusion from there.
But before you conclude, before you Diana 5-star, Diana, she's bitter, and it's okay. I mean, maybe she's heartbroken or what, I don't know, but she's bitter because I blocked her, right? And I didn't only block her more WhatsApp. I also block her more your TikTok, right? Because if I didn't block her, would he still speak these things that she's saying? She won't, right? She's just bitter, and it's okay. I mean, I understand that obviously people get hurt, but however she's dealing with the pain, that is wrong. That is wrong to come to TikTok and you're trying to assassinate my character. That's wrong. That's very weak.
Wait,
you can do better. I mean, if ever, don't stop me honor.
Maybe now kule ndawo yokuba better mhlambe if wena do you have any chats with Diana la khona ubona khona Diana ebesengichitha?
No, that's what I'm saying. I said to you guys,
yes, when I'm not gonna draw conclusion to say no very Paul, you said this yabo ngithi mina at least the break of communication through WhatsApp or through TikTok will show us ukuthi here was the breakdown. When was the call? The call was maybe in this looking manner. But after the call, we now through the chats we can start seeing the breakdown through the communication.
Yeah, but listen, honor.
Like I'm not trying to draw a conclusion on that one, please don't attack her in that way to say blah 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 blah. Maybe now.
All right, no problem. Maybe she's not bitter. No. Maybe she's not bitter, but for me, and I'll say it for me, I see a bitter person. Why? Because all along, if my sister said, because I could show, or like you said, 3 months or 2 months or somewhere there. Why all along you are quiet? Why didn't you not reach this conclusion of awareness? Why are you doing awareness? Are you reaching awareness now when you are blocked and when I'm not talking to you? Why were you attacking me on the other life? What is the reason for now attack on other life? Right? So I mean, really, you are trying to destroy my character, but it's fine. As I said, you can go on with your awareness. Continue with that.
Yes,
no star. You can go on, my brother. This was going to be a better way to draw these stories Diana at this time. It matches literally with what she says with regards to the communication breakdown through the chatting of through WhatsApp or through TikTok. Because the phone call part, very nice because obviously because every time I phone somebody, I record. So my chat is at least if we can have the chat, the communication through chat. Here was the communication breakdown. Diana benoPaul bese becabanisa ukuthi lento ayishilo uPaul noma ile imposter uDiana athi uyena uPaul, or becabanisa ukuthi uPaul mhlawumbe it's because of the relationship breakdown abahamba kuyona ukuze sizokwazi because story ngiyasiqala now ukuthi futhi nje abama here so sure. I'm not saying uDiana is
that have a potential of turning Paul's life upside down, right? This has a very high potential. So, Diana, you have to go through your chats because now we can't leave it Ilenga. Because if we leave it Ilenga, you must remember that there's a stereotype that when a man is being accused of something, he stays accused even if there is no evidence. And it's not fair if it's not true. You understand? So that we actually find out who is telling the truth and who is not. Because now there is an allegation of kids here, an accusation of an abuser or GBV or something like that, and pedophilia. And these are very serious allegations, Bafet. Like, this is not just, this needs Abantaba equipped for these things. For this to go on or follow through, Diana, you have to go through your messages. You have to, because if you are not telling the truth, you have to make sure that Paul does not carry the stigma of being an abuser and a pedophile, right? And if Paul did say these things to you, you have to bring the proof so that people can judge for themselves. Okay, Paul is the one that is. Should anything happen to Paul, this is deserving. But we can't just leave it in jail. We can't at this point because this is a serious allegation. And we need evidence for us to for us to move forward right now. Diana, you need to understand that the situation is very, very serious. Whether we can leave it like this and go on with our lives, however, Paul will always be followed with a stigma wherever he goes. With this one is a pedophile, this one is a GBV offender. You understand? So we need the evidence. Whether the evidence that you are saying, it was a conversation between you and your friend, when that message should carry the things that you mentioned here. That message must carry the very same thing that you mentioned here, because you are talking to your friend as you heard it from Paul. So it has to align itself. Nothing outside of the evidence there.
Yeah, so my brother, Spirit Sense was there when we first fought Minalena. He even asked me, what is wrong with you two people? I think he can explain for himself. I mentioned, which I don't know why he's attacking me. So, I mean, anyway, she will even speak. She will speak. I mean, you will speak. Can you speak, Spirit Sense? What took place the time when she opened the life?
Before Spirit Sense akhuluma, can you confirm Spirit Sense ukuthi into eyenzekale nini le? Spirit Sense?
Yes, hello. How's it, guys? What's happening?
Yeah. Izabati, you're going to confirm. Can you tell me ukuthi into eyenzekale nini le? Where Paul was fighting with Diane?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'm not sure which life was it, but there was a life where I normally I normally know Paul and Diana to be more friendly and more like together. So I was shocked when Diana was more of attacking Paul in a way, but obviously it was more like an atheist type of attack, like what's up with you, atheist, and all of that, right? Because Diana is not fully an atheist. She does kind of believe in God, but just the way that she does. So I was shocked when Diana was like on Paul.
When was it, Bab? Is it a month ago, 2 months back, 3 months?
No, it was like a couple of days back.
Couple of days. So, you understand Paul and Ona and Five Star. The thing that I'm talking about, it's something that we Kim and Diana and me, we talk every time. When she has a problem, she comes to me directly. And even when she needs advice, she comes to me directly. We spoke on the 25th of March. On the 25th, of February, Diana. And then we spoke again, Sino Tabani Ngapagati, on the 28th of February, and then everyone was disconnected. The only person that was left, it was me and you. When we had that conversation, we had over 3-hour conversation where she was explaining these things to me. I said to her, run for your life. Don't even want to I know, because I knew that Diana loves Paul, because when she fall in love for the right reasons. And I know about everything, how you guys were planning to meet. Omunye aele, omunye to know, please send me money, I will buy a car. It doesn't. I know a lot of things. I know how Diana was supposed to come this side, but she has to quit her job and do whatever. So there's a lot. And Paul, on Paul, this is not the first person. There is a colored lady that's been brought up that Diana is actually the second person. There's a lady or a colored that you did the same with her. I don't know what you did exactly, but I know a lot of things, because when we were talking with Mina, not Diana and Taban, we don't normally talk via WhatsApp, ngama chats, hi. We make a video call or a phone call where there's all of us and then we talk. So coming to an evidence that she told me this in a text, it will be impossible. But there's a time where she was asking me, how are you, Siswam? And I said, all is well. And then Wapindo wa replying or something that, don't worry, you'll get over it. Because I knew that I gave the advice that you need to cut ties with that guy. If a guy is telling you, Guti, Mina, I used to dlova nama prostitute, ninama whatever, gini. Konje bayibitsa ama-fantasy yilawo abantwana nani. And I was like, damn, I knew something is off la nana. We see people ba intelligent go TikTok, and then we bored into that, and then later we find out ukuthi kanti ngama scavengers. So Paul, I knew about you long, trust me my guy, kitsibile ka wena on February. But I have never insulted you, I have never disrespected you, I've always given you the respect. Even that Diana and I told her, exit, don't exit abruptly, like where you have to show off or funukulana a TikTok. Lana Diana Mtasaka, I don't want you to get involved into anything. The whole world will accuse you. Yes, Minangzovo, I'm the one who gave you the advice to leave Paul based on the things that he's been telling you. Not Guti, you heard it from someone. You heard it from the horse's mouth. And I said he lacked the respect for the fact that he told you all these things. It means he doesn't consider you a wife material, because aksi into angazikhuluma nawele, and it ends there. Gimme, yeah, understand? It ends there. Ungafuni kumdrega, ungafuni kuba bitter, ungafuni kuba next. Just end it there. It happened. You were dating him. When it comes to awareness, angazi guys, mini awareness sothise awareness ababani ngoba at the end of the day she's being called a bitter ex or a bitter ntonton. I don't know how we'll get, but nje ukuze ngigibele, I just wanted to assure you ukuthi the story that Diana is talking about, I'm aware of. And when she told me, I'm the one who said, run for your life. Run for your life. And angisimuntu nje owazana no Diana. I'm actually Diana's closest sister. Makangibiza akangibizi nje newo. She knows me face to face. We talk. Makanama problem. She comes to me. When we sixageka khona, we go to someone else. Siyokhuluma khona. But Diana consider me as her biological sister. Ithi ngiyeke lapha.
Can I respond if I can? First of all, I hear you and understand what you're saying. The reality of life is that we are always on to talk. And again, if you're saying, like I did the same thing that I did with the colored lady, I don't understand what I did to Diana. First of all, I've never mentioned anything that had to do with kids, sleeping with kids. I've never even asked her to buy me a car. I didn't do that, right? I understand your relationship, my sister. I respect you. I still maintain my respect for you. But whatever she told you about me with regard to kids, and by the way, I'm the one who blocked her. She didn't block me. She was calling me my sister. So the thing of running away from me and whatever, she's the one who was calling me. I stopped talking to her. So I don't understand if she said the things that she said about me, does it make it true? As much as you are a sister, does it make it true? So now, my sister, I'm asking, with all respect, can she provide evidence? That's what I'm asking. Because she's lying on me my name. And with regard to the colored lady, obviously,
Ona, ngicela ukuphuma kancane. Screen grab this and hide whoever and then send it to you, ne?
Okay, I can get them. I can get them.
She's saying things about me doesn't make it true. Now I want the evidence where I mentioned those things to her. So yeah, I think that's fair enough.
Ivandla. Yeah, this is deep. Hey. Nell said she's going to screen grab something and yeah, and send it to Uona. So I'm not sure. Is it possible the conversation that they were having? I think Diana said this to Neo ka February, right? That's what she said. Paul is saying that it doesn't change the fact that she's lying or whatever. So now is
that what you mean? I asked the car. I mean, I asked to buy me a car. Imagine.
No, I'm not interested in that. No, I'm not interested in that. So, my chat here is, if Diana said this February, right? Does that mean that her Uneo bringing up the thingy, the chat where they were actually discussing about this, does it make it true? Because this is now we on April, right? And this happened a few months ago. So this conversation was heard. It's only being said in public now. Right? So I'm trying to understand, Uti, the evidence that Une is bringing is from way back about the entire thing about the kids. I think that, I'm not sure, hence I'm asking, that will, I don't know, give us clarity on this entire issue, wouldn't it? But it seems as if Paul said he wants evidence on him saying that, which I don't know. So you're saying that she's been lying?
Yeah, of
since
course. I mean,
February.
I don't know if she's been lying or not, but I think so because, for a fact, she said, I love women, or like I love women on TikTok and blah. So I don't know. She said, I love women on TikTok. I'm always shilling women on TikTok and stuff like that. So I don't know. Actually, don't know. But if I was an evil person, I was going to open a case against him. But it's fine.
Mina, that's why Paul, my brother.
Let me try and mute the comments for a bit so we can.
That's why I was saying, Gucci, the chats, you and Diana, where there was a communication. Okay. Yes, as before, that's why I need to. If you can at least have the conversation with you and Diana on WhatsApp or wherever you were talking, we can see that we can draw a communication breakdown from there. Not to conclude, but to draw a communication breakdown to actually see who to Diana actually saw these red flags she's talking about. Number two, she actually
Is it my network or maybe I don't know?
she also saw. I mean, we can actually even after Diana heard you say
I don't know if you can hear me. Yeah. So I don't know, Uti, when that chat says, Uti, I also did what I did to her. What did I do to her? Didn't do to her anything. Couldn't to our court, everything that went out. I'm lashed. And again, with regard to a colored lady, I have numbers of her parents, a daughter, also the son. She's chronophonic, that lady. She's not okay. That's why she's not on TikTok now. Right? So if you want evidence of that, I don't have a problem when a 5-star. I can give you the daughter's numbers. I've never met her also. She just started calling me husband, my husband. And it was those days, when we vote, when we're talking politics. So I loved her space. I was enjoying her space, and I enjoyed because I knew that she likes me and she was biased against other people because according to her, I was her husband. So I thought maybe this thing is just you know some kind of like fun, but not really because she's in fact she's 50 something 8 or 9 if I'm not mistaken, and she's sick. I've never met that woman. So she just came on TikTok saying that she's pregnant with my twins, you know, and me I want to run away from my kids, you know, from my pregnancy and stuff like that. Her husband and stuff like that. I didn't know that she's crazy, that lady. I didn't know. I found out later that she's crazy.
No, I think that's now different. I think that's not, now it's like we're trying to find every detail about your life. No, that is
no. I'm trying to respond to Walking that chat when she said when I was in when he was talking about Walking that I did something to calculate. What did I do to her? I didn't do anything. I've never asked her money. So I don't know. She was just obsessed about me. And by the way, she's not the only one. There are a lot of women that want me on TikTok. A lot of them sending me DMs and stuff like that. So I'm always on TikTok. This is where I live. Even when I'm working, I'm on TikTok. So some other things are bound to happen. But for you, lay this kind of ridiculous allegations. If you're in South Africa, I promise you, I was going to open a case against you. Imagine if my employer hears such things. Imagine if the mother of my kids hears such things. Just imagine. Imagine my family heard such things.
Here's the thing, right? I just want to speak responsibly about my experience, right? It's not like I'm here to accuse anyone or make like definite claims. I'm just sharing my personal experience and why I reacted the way I did. So first of all, during the relationship, so I noticed a number of behaviors, right? And some conversations that made me feel very uncomfortable and concerned, right? So at that time, I shared these concerns with my close friends as part of the processing situation. So in the course of those conversations, there were statements that were made that I personally interpreted as concerning. So I just want to be clear that I'm not speaking from my recollection or perception or not making even any legal conclusions, right? So just because I felt so uncomfortable, I chose to create like a distance. I would like literally be on and off, like because I was trying to analyze the situation, and it also like decided to raise my concerns in I would say in an appropriate setting, because I take safeguarding issues very seriously. So I understand that there are concerns being raised with defaming character, right? But this is not my intention. I'm not here to damage your reputation, but I'm just explaining my personal experience. I am explaining my personal experience, and I think I do have a right to explain my personal experience. And I'm not here to damage your reputation. I do have, but it's not like I'm putting you on a legal case. Like I said, it's just an awareness.
Bring proof.
Yeah, but like,
is
No, I want to Diana.
in the
So
in the first place.
Paul.
So let me just say this because I stepped out of the office just in a second.
So,
Yeah,
just a second. Paul, do you have any communication with Diana on your WhatsApp or whatsoever?
I don't have any conversation because I blocked her and then I deleted her numbers.
Okay.
And yeah. So can I just finish? Can I say this?
Wait, sorry.
Can I say this before you?
Yeah,
Before
then you go in. Do you remember when did you last spoke to her?
yeah, I last spoke to her on the phone. Are you talking about her on the phone?
Wherever you last spoke to her.
I don't really. I think last week, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was last week.
Based on your relationship, or maybe before the breakdown. I'm talking about that.
Yeah, we're telling each other we miss each other.
Communication.
Yes, we're telling each other we miss each other. I miss you, bro, whatever, blah 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 blah. So let me tell you something. Okay, let me just say this. I want everyone to hear. First of all, you made allegations, and then you said you have proof. You said you have text. That's number one. Number two, then you change your story. It's not a text anymore. It's a voice note, right? And then number three, now it's not. You said first of all, you said you had a proof when I spoke those things. You change now. It's not a text. Now it's a voice note. Now the voice note change again. You are saying you have a voice note when you're talking to someone about me. So everyone was here. 5-star. Just be honest. Wait. Let me talk. 5-star. My brother, you were here listening to her. Honor, you were here. Everyone was here listening to you. Even the host, please.
That's why we need that evidence. That's why I need.
Yes. And then I said, Kuti, please bring that evidence when I told you, when I speak those things. And then now you are changing. You are saying, I spoke to someone about that, I mean, the allegations, right? So now, for a fact, Diana, just be honest. You are attacking me. You are trying to assassinate my character, and it's fine. What I need, and I want everyone to be fair with me, bring evidence. I think that will be enough.
The only thing, I mean, I would love to. I'll have to go back down and screenshot that because I can't. But I'll do that just now. What I'm trying to say, guys, at least if Diana, you have a chat with the phone where we can see the communication breakdown based on your relationship. That can be a glimpse of the evidence. At least you can say, oh yeah, no. What Diana was saying was the tone changes from here to this point. Okay, maybe, and also see she rebuked what Paul said with regards to that, but Paul was like, no. From my own side, I see it as morally correct. Then Diana was like, no. I'm cutting off my communication with you. That fact will extend a lot of things into it. Because there's an allocation when Paul said he can sleep with his kids. That's the most allocation inkinga njengamanje simenayo. Yabo, at least communication breakdown singakwazi ukudraw some of the clues there. Yabo, iloko mina ngicela usithanda sami okungasisiza ukuthi sidraw something from there.
yes.
Askis kancane Ona. Normally uDiana no Paul mabakhuluma. I think Paul, you used to call her around 5 or 6 a.m. I don't know if it's her time zone or your time zone, but you used to speak ekuseni naye, and you would call ekuseni ukuze nikhulume. You would call. It's not like kunala beni cheta khona. Ngi right mangisho kanjani?
better
Because
sometimes.
she told me that you
get-
are very consistent when it comes to calling. You like, that's what she loved about you, Gucci. When it comes to calls, that means he calls and we speak for hours, and then during the day he would call, we speak for hours. Nasepsu, you would call and you would speak for hours. So what I'm trying to understand, Gucci, when will she get the evidence of Paul saying something I show or during the phone call? How would she get that evidence? Because you see, guys, mina angakakhulumi no Diana today. Ngibone la and ngiyabona ukuthi kuyakhulunywa, but now I'm coming to effect ukuthi I know that this person, when that's why ngitshele ngo February, when she told me about Paul, she was telling me izinto enizenza during ama phone call ukuthi ngikhuluma so. So that's why I know your communication naye. So I want to know, how will she provide an evidence eben ukuthi there was a phone call?
Yeah, let me answer my sister. No, I'm not the one who said I have evidence. She's the one who said I have evidence when you spoke those things. Everyone was here listening, my sister. What? Everyone was here listening. I'm not the one who said I have. I mean, she must provide evidence first. She said to me,
let me speak
she
to
does
her.
have.
Let me speak
Yeah,
to her.
no
Diana,
problem. No problem.
go on. What happened? Kwenzakaleni ukuze sifike la?
Okay, so basically, Sister Fiela, actually, the what I was actually recounting, right, is my personal experiences with Paul. That's where I was, just sharing what I was going through, because it seems like people come up here on TikTok pushing this character, like this framework, framing this mask, pretending to be people who they're not. So me coming up here is not about like accusing him, but I'm just recounting my personal experience, right?
So what happened? It's me, Goza Gestandasam. I'm sorry, good. I'm gonna do this in front of everyone. What happened? Why ungafonelanga mina wakhuluma nami instead of uzelana? Because remember, I told you that TikTok people are TikTok people. Agna babe and other people that we know. Unless you meet someone physically, then that's when we will say Sazana. But abantu baku TikTok, I told you, Futumina, it's about there's a guy with TikTok. You remember I told you I'm suspecting I'm a culprit. Abantu bazi gut basala baku TikTok. Not between Honor and Paul. And then that's when you said no, it's Paul. And then you told me your story, the whole story. And which is something that we are talking about today. But I want to know what changed from you coming back to me as Uneo and then going then ukuthi uye kubo bonke labantu laba so uyokhuluma indaba zakho. Number one, I don't want a reputation yakho to be dragged kwi-8 TikTok. And whatever problem that you had, even if Paul Begak blockile, I'm the one who told you eventually you will forget about Paul. Eventually you will, because he me influencer that leave him. If this is the words that he utter with his mouth, leave him. It's best that you leave him because I see danger. This is a poison. So Mawuzala Ozomkuluma, it comes as a Gabi. Number one, it's a defamation of character. And number two, we don't have evidence of what we're talking about because it happened during the call. Number three, even if you were hurt, you want to alert other people or whatever. I don't think I'm very, very upset and or frustrated or in. But ezokuza sizokhuluma afuthi Paul angeke ngize ngikhulume angijwayela ngiyazi na bengeke ngize ngikhulumele vele. But for wena, knowing me knowing you, the relationship that we have, mina now, the relationship that we share, do you think ukuthi oyenze kahle waskipha mina to come and talk about this on a live?
I think what's basically happening, although we are people that have different thoughts, but outside of TikTok, we more people. We're not like trying to fight amongst it, not fight, but trying to entertain each other about or teaching each other about the existence of God and all of that. So Paul, I know Paul for long, and I know Diana through Paul. I know Honor, I know 5 Star, I know Gami, I know Goddess, right? I know Black Peeps, I know all these people. So in actual fact, we are more of a community as much as we come together, but we are a community trying to figure out the truth about our existence and all of that. But we're more of a community. So I think what Diana is doing, why she's doing it like this, she's trying to bring the brothers and the sisters together to figure out on what is happening, because this relationship, we knew it before. We saw it before, even though we just on the panels, but we knew that Diana and Paul, there's something happening, because we saw before it even had a spark on it. We knew what was happening. So, and I also remember, I would say your Paul, your wife or whatever, between them. So I think it's more of a community coming together, trying to figure out what is actually happening. Because for me, normally I come in here seeing the prompt, but when I came, it's actually a different conversation. So on your side, Neo, you might say yes, it might have been a wrong thing for her to do it like this, but it's also good for us to actually know, so that, because the other day I just saw explosions between the two and I didn't know what was happening. So at least now we know, and so that we protect each other, so that this is not something that's gonna destroy people's reputation, both of them, because they are our brothers and they are our sisters, so that we can see what is really happening, what is the real problem. Because sooner or later, because we are TikTokers, things are gonna be there in terms of characters, and we know each other's characters as much as we try to teach each other about God and about spirituality. You can hear someone's character from what they say, from their words, and you can even hear someone's heart and the humor of who they are. So I think it's right for this conversation to happen like this, so that we can so that we don't have the two people just being smeared wrong. Because when we're gonna meet Paul on the other side, he's gonna be smearing, and when we meet Diana on the other side, she's gonna be smearing. So it is actually good for us as a family, because we are a family, guys, as much as we disagree on a lot of things, but we are a family. If I must see Paul in the street, and I've never seen Paul, but I see Paul in the street fighting with somebody, I'm gonna be like, no, that's Paul from TikTok. That's my brother, you know. If I meet 5 Star, it doesn't matter if 5 Star now is arguing with someone that I don't know. I'll be like, no, that's 5 Star. I know that face. And then I will also see that, no, guys, this is not right, you know, and all of that. So I don't think it's wrong of Diana. I think for her also to heal and for her also to make her point being heard, it's not a problem. And for Paul being here as well, it means that he's not running away. Otherwise, he could have dropped the panel and left. So that means also he's not like rude in a way, or is also not guilty in a way. You know, I'm not saying that he's not guilty, but as a man, he's here and the conversation is happening. So I think it's fine, so that we can get to the point of this, because we don't want to lose these people on TikTok. We love their conversations and their inputs, because it's easy for one of them to just disappear and all of that. So yeah, I think it's okay to to be like this. We're not strangers, you know. We might look like strangers because we've never really met in real life, but we're not really strangers when it comes to personalities and characters and stuff like that. We are actually the people that can judge each other, you know.
Yeah. Can I just say this? First of all, when I came, I told all of them before she can even say, because she said she came blazing. She was fuming, right? To all of them that now she's going to be personal. Are we going to debate Paul, or we're going to talk about the pond? And then then she said to me, no, the people are imposers. That's what she says. They're imposers. They're imposers. They're imposers.